Hey, babe. You're back from work. You look very tired. Yeah. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Let it all out. Alright? Yeah. Wanna come lay in bed with me? Okay. Do you feel like talking about what happened with work? It's okay. We don't have to. How about I pamper you for the day? For the day, alright? With some cuddles, alright? You deserve to feel good. You deserve to rest. You deserve to relax. Don't think I don't notice those eye bags. Or that cracking bones, right? From all the... Yep, exactly. All the stress and the lack of movement, sitting in chairs and all that. It's a lot to handle. Any type of work can be stressful. Whether it be an office job, construction, retail, blue collar, white collar, don't matter. Okay? My point is, you need rest. Yes. Shh. My boyfriend, the person I love, needs rest. Okay? Come here. It's okay. Yeah, let me just scooch over. Nothing really on the TV, to be honest. I just left it there. I was downloading some stuff on my console. I mean, can't let that thing pick up dust forever, right? Yeah. It's a PS5, so might as well put this thing to use. I don't really have much interesting things I got downloaded. I have The Witcher. Like, you can watch it, the show, yeah. I got Netflix downloaded on it. I got what's it called? Need for Speed Most Wanted downloaded on it. I have Max Payne, and what else? Oh, yeah. I have Elden Ring and Maneater, that shark. Ooh, spooky shark game. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure I also downloaded its cosmetics for my Survivor on Dead by Daylight. I think it was the Meg. Yeah, some Meg stuff. And I also downloaded some stuff for Persona 5. Yeah, I managed to get into that now. I managed to download some of the games, and I'm trying to see if all this hype about Persona 5, getting into Fortnite is really that crazy. So it's a bit more different from what I'm usually used to playing, and I'll take it. I like a challenge, and I like to try new stuff. Now, if you ask me what game I don't really want to touch at all, it's gotta be Dark Souls. I'm sorry, that thing is hard. I'm already struggling with Elden Ring. I mean, Elden Ring takes a huge amount of grinding. Whereas most gamers will call it purgatory gaming. Yeah. But hey, it's better than being stuck on 2K for the last 6 hours, right? I remember how I pulled off that last time, and not fun. Especially when you're going against a lot of sweats. So, yeah. You feel so warm. Well, now at least. Yeah. Yeah, warm now. Yeah. Come here. All the kisses. You deserve to be loved. And you deserve to be cared for. And I'm willing to give you all of me, satisfy your needs, and keep you happy. Okay? I mean, I may not look like a rough and tumble or supermodel or anything like that, but I can work with what I got. I can tell you that. And sometimes big things come in small packages. Cute, adorable packages, so to speak. And I'm positive that my cuteness can take all that stress away, or just half of it. Progress is progress, right? Yeah. You interested in hearing me yap? Sure. I could talk. Are you gonna laugh at this? A coworker, I think it was yesterday, never told you because I feel like it'll be embarrassing, but yesterday a coworker managed to prank me by throwing a fart bomb into the bathroom. So, yeah. I got him back though eventually. I pranked him with a rubber rat. He's afraid of rats. Yeah, dude's got a phobia. Yeah. And he just called me back and he said, touche. So I think I started a prank war. I ain't got any ideas on how to prank him. Ooh. Oh, you are evil. You are evil. Okay, I'm gonna take those ideas up. Ooh, check this out. So, I realized that I could get, I realized that I could take some money on my account so I can finally afford being able to play Resident Evil Requiem. I know I haven't played Resident Evil 3 or 4, I know, or any of the old stuff, but I did play Resident Evil 2 Remake. And I love the remake, visually, for sure. Gameplay's good, yeah, but it's the visuals, to me, that sell it the most. And it really does look beautiful. And I know people say that Resident Evil Requiem looks beautiful. So, I'm gonna give it a shot. Check it out. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt is on sale, $9. I mean, I could grab that, but I'm still trying to finish the show because I started with the show. I don't want to get myself too confused. A lot of games on sale, yeah. I mean, no surprise. There's The Last of Us 2, Part 1 and 2. Yeah, Part 1 and 2. I'm still trying to wait for Forza Horizon 6. I'm not really getting it for me that much. I'm not really a car person like that, like in terms of no knowledge. I play racing games when I was little, but it wouldn't hurt to get back into it. And I know a friend that would love to visit Tokyo, and they would love it, even if it's virtually. Say, a win's a win, right? Yep. I've been hearing lots of talk about... What's the name of the game? Right, lots of talk about the game called Ghost Recon. Yeah, apparently people love it so much that it's fun, right? That is fun. So there's that. I'm not really used to playing shooter open world stuff. The closest thing you'll ever really see me playing to open world was, I think it was GTA 5, yeah. Still waiting on the 6th one. I mean, like, open world stuff, with shooting and all that. Like, yeah, GTA. Now, if you were to ask me which one I like in terms of, like, that's not attacking people, it's gotta be Dying Light. Yeah, I actually like Dying Light. It's a fun game. Makes me happy being able to launch zombies off a roof. Yeah. And I've been hearing lots of talk about it, People who say it's fun, so I'm like, sure, I'll pick it up sometime. And work and, just life these days, it becomes a tricky time to get back into hobbies. But hey, I can owe it all to you, right? You managed to convince me to get back into my hobbies, and I'm happy you did. Very happy. I tend to forget how much even the simplest things can induce joy. So yeah, thank you. And now let me take care of you for a change. Yep. Let me take care of you for a change. You deserve to be loved, okay? Let's see. I have something. So, the next paycheck I'm getting should be neat. So, I'm thinking, how about I take you shopping? Come on. Let yourself spoil yourself once in a while, At least be spoiled like that. Sure, cuddles are cool, I know. But, come on. You have been eyeing a new pair of shoes for like the past week. And you said that September's coming, right? The cold and all that. So, right. Yes, cold. September, I know. So, you could get some new clothes. Brand new hoodies. Yeah, brand new hoodies, sweatpants, or just jackets. Stuff like that. I know how much you like cozy wear and all that. Cozy, comfortable clothes, so hey. I got an offer for you can't really compete with, okay? Yeah. And September comes, we won't have to worry about buying anything because your boy got it taken care of. Yeah. Being prepared, man. Being prepared. That's how it is. And I know that it's supposed to be getting cold, so I'm already spooked about that. Yeah, because the weather is getting more crazy, so to speak. I've noticed it. It's not good at all. Let's see. Battlefield Revolution. I wonder what that's about. Yeah, and you've seen it. Yeah, you've seen this before on my console. I think it's Battlefield 1, yeah. I've seen this deal this whole week and I caved in. Well, not really caved in, I just took the side of me that says, hey, indulge in something. I've been seeing lots of clips of Battlefield 1, so I decided why not indulge and see what's the deal. I love the music. I like that. From what I listened to, at least so far. Yeah. God, it's beautiful. What's wrong? You're cold? It's okay. It's okay. Here you go. You can wear one of my hoodies. It's a bit oversized, but I know you like the oversized look. You say it's comfortable, despite the hoodies being oversized. So here you go. Yeah. Well, I'm already comfortable. I'm already wearing one of my hoodies. So yeah. There we go. Nice and soft. You look adorable, actually. Suits you well. There you go. Let me just scooch a bit more. Perfect. Haha. Well, I got some good news. I managed to beat. Yeah, I managed to beat it. I managed to accomplish one of my goals, which was solving all of the Riddler trophies. The little Riddler stuff in Batman. Yeah. That was severely draining, but man, the reward was worth it. Happiness. Finally, the Riddler is taken down. He's not going to be taunting Batman anymore anytime soon. Speaking of Batman, I'm so hyped, so excited for the new Clayface movie. What, you haven't seen the trailer? Well, Clayface. The guy that's made of clay, turn into people and whatnot. That guy. He's one of my favorite characters in terms of villains. He's very tragic. And the fact that they went for horror on this movie is perfect. It's It's perfect. Clayface is a body horror story. A body horror tragedy story, to be specific, so I'm comfortable and content with the fact that they'll bring it justice. It's not really every day that you see, characters getting adapted correctly. So there's that. And well, with Red Dead Redemption potentially getting an adaptation, could be rumor though, hearsay. I fear and I worry that they'll demolish the character and make it all boring. Yeah. I already saw one character I liked get put into the ground and just ruined with, adaptation, and it was like Fallout. So yeah, I don't really like that one, but I got hope. Hopes and dreams that in the future we could get some better shows that adapt games better. I mean, I know they can adapt Far Cry. It's a no-brainer, right? And they could certainly adapt things like, Horizon Zero Dawn. That's a no-brainer. Can't doubt that. It should be simple. And then there's, There's Battlefield. They could maybe adapt to Battlefield 3. It'll feel like a generic war movie, and it's okay. Sometimes people want generic stuff. Yeah. I mean, I enjoy my war stuff, war movies, decent here and there. I know it's propaganda. I know it's all slop to some. I treat it more like a popcorn flick, something to turn your brain off, enjoy, like a Transformer movie. And no hate to the Transformers franchise. Michael Bay did a good job, and I salute him. But you can't deny that most of his movies are just, action, popcorn flicks, stories decent at best. You feel so much warm. Yeah, more warmer. Yeah. And the hoodie you're wearing is, it's warming you up. Nice, cozy. Well, as I was saying, you're doing great so far with life. The things that may seem a lot, it's like the lady in the Spider-Man movie said, big potato stuff, small potato stuff, and things like after work stress, that's small potato stuff that can easily be combated with the help of a friend or a partner. I love you. All right. You don't have to hold it all alone. You don't have to carry the weight of the world. You don't have to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. Okay? Come here. Mm. Mm. There we go. You're doing good. Now rest.